First day of workshops.
This workshop is about building an escape box for the whole camp to come and enjoy, and you do different riddles to try to see what's going on. It's really fun to do it, and I think that it's going to be a very fun sedna.
We're now in DJ Advanced workshop, and we're learning about BPM.
I'm making a character in The Sims, and we were in a circle and we were given like character traits and names, and so we each have our own character and we have to make a character based off of that.
אהלן חברים, הגעתם לסדנת סטייבר מתחילים. אנחנו לומדים איך האינטרנט עובד, תיאוריות איך לתקוף, איך להגן. אנחנו נלמד תוכנות כמו ויירשארק, כמו CMD Command Line, יהיה מגניב, יהיה כיף, תבואו.
So this is the drone workshop. We're having a lot of fun flying the drones, and soon we will learn how to program them, and we have a lot of fun. Yay!
So we're doing science lab and we're doing explosion with Coke and Mentos.